And here's what the tape looks like, the Pelican brief, and was printed on August 28th, 2000.
How do you plan on spending this millennium? Spend it with the stars. The biggest and brightest stars are now on video and DVD in Century 2000 from Warner Home Video and New Line Home Video. A beautiful smile, undeniable charm, and impeccable style. That's what makes them stars, and now you can collect them all.
So amazingly cute.
Kind of like the Incredible Hulk, huh?
Relive the mystery of the Maltese Falcon with Humphrey Bogart. Now available as a special edition with a documentary on Bogey's illustrious career. Experience the thrills of true crime and New Line's The Corruptor.
Sweetie, don't pull it off.
Fall in love all over again with Kevin Costner and Robin Wright Penn in the Message in a Bottle Collector's Edition.
You want to step aboard?
And take home Adam Sandler, Morgan Freeman, Julia Roberts, Robert De Niro, Jack Nicholson, and many more.
Get busy living or get busy dying.
Words of wisdom, Lloyd. Words of wisdom.
Look for the Century 2000 sticker and displays for special offers. Like a buy 3 videos, get 1 free offer, and a Century 2000 booklet full of $250 in savings on movies, music, travel, and more.
It keeps me sharp, on the edge, where I gotta be.
Watch Hollywood's finest in the roles that touched our hearts, made us laugh, and made them stars. Century 2000, only from Warner Home Video. Own them on video and DVD.
This is a modified Foster virtual version. It's been formatted for your screen.